Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. Today we are talking about a topic that Sarah absolutely loves and I usually find a little exhausting. Shopping.
Oh, come on, Mark. Shopping is great. It's retail therapy. It makes you feel better.
Not me. Last time I went shopping, I walked around the mall for 3 hours. I was so tired, I bought a bright green sweater on impulse. I never wear it.
I remember that. You looked like a giant tennis ball.
Yes, very funny.
That is exactly why we are doing this episode. Today, we will learn practical English for clothes shopping. We'll learn how to ask for a different size, talk about prices, and return clothes you actually don't want.
Like my green sweater. All right, let's get started. First up, looking around the store.
When you walk into a clothes shop, a shop assistant will usually come up to you and ask, "Hi, can I help you find anything today?"
If you were like me, you don't want help right away. You want to look around first. So the most natural thing to say is, "No thanks, I'm just browsing."
Yes, I'm just browsing or I'm just having a look are perfect B1 phrases. It means you are looking but not ready to buy. But what if you find a shirt you really like, but it looks too small?
I would ask the assistant, "Excuse me, do you have this in a medium? Or do you have the next size up?"
Exactly. You can also ask about colors. Does this come in black? Now let's talk about the most important step, the fitting room. Mark, do you actually try clothes on?
Honestly, no. I just guess the size. That is why half my clothes are too baggy and the other half are too tight.
Always try things on. Just ask, "Excuse me, where are the fitting rooms?"
Let's do a quick role play. I'm the shop assistant and you're the customer. Ready? Go.
Hi there. I'd like to try this on. Where are the fitting rooms?
Right over there, on the left. So how does it fit?
Actually, it's a bit snug around the shoulders. Do you have a larger size?
Let me check. No, I'm sorry, we're sold out of the larger size, but I think it looks great.
Don't lie to me, Mark. I can hardly move my arms. Guys, snug is a great native word. It means it is a little bit too tight, and baggy means it is very loose.
Okay, let's talk about my favorite topic, money.
Sometimes you see a beautiful jacket, you check the price tag, and it's $200. You can say, "Oh, wow, that's a bit pricey."
Yes, pricey is a very natural way to say expensive. If I see a basic t-shirt for $100, I say, that is completely out of my budget.
But we all love saving money. You can always ask the staff, "Excuse me, is this on sale?" Or, "Do you have any discounts right now?"
But what if you're shopping at a street market? You can actually negotiate the price. We call this haggling.
I love haggling. Let's practice. Mark, you are selling a vintage leather jacket at a market. I want to buy it.
Sure. Hello, welcome to my stall. That jacket is $80.
$80? That's a bit pricey for me. Can you do a better price?
Well, for you, I can do $75.
There's a small scratch on the back. Would you take $50?
50? No, I can't do that. How about we meet in the middle, $65?
Make it $60 and I will pay cash right now.
All right, it's a deal.
See? That sounds very natural. Asking, "Would you take price?" and offering to meet in the middle are fantastic phrases for bargaining.
So, you're ready to buy. You go to the checkout desk. What happens next?
The cashier will ask, "How would you like to pay? Cash or card?" And then they hand you a small piece of paper.
The receipt. This is crucial. Do not lose the receipt.
Yes, if you change your mind later, you need the receipt. This brings us to the return policy. Before you pay, you should ask, "What is your return policy?"
The cashier will usually say, "You have 30 days to return the item, but you must have the receipt and the tags must be on."
Let's do our final role play. Mark, you are returning that bright green sweater to the store.
Let's do it. Hello, I'd like to return this sweater, please.
Sure. Is there an issue with it, sir?
No, it's just not really my style.
I understand. Do you have the receipt?
Ah, no, I think I threw it away.
I'm sorry, sir. Without a receipt, I cannot give you a refund, but I can offer you an exchange.
An exchange? Okay, fine. I will take this plain black sweater instead.
And that is how you shop like a native speaker. Let's quickly review our top 3 phrases for today.
Number 1, I'm just browsing. Use this when you're just looking and don't need help.
Number 2, is this on sale? Use this to find out if there's a discount.
And number 3, what is your return policy? Ask this to make sure you can bring clothes back if you don't like them.
Excellent. So, do you enjoy shopping or do you find it exhausting like Mark?
Let us know in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more real English conversations.
See you in the next episode. Happy shopping!
Bye, everyone.